Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix this error message where this application requires iOS 17.0 or later whenever you're downloading the app. You want to follow these steps to go ahead and fix it. I'm going to show you a workaround as well. So generally, if you have this message and you didn't update your phone, you do want to go to your settings, general, software update, and the best thing would be to see if your phone is compatible with iOS 17. Now, it may be the case that your phone cannot update to iOS 17, which will bring up to the next thing, which is the workaround here. So in order to do this workaround is that you have to use the Apple ID on two different phones. So you have to have another phone that's actually able to download the app. So let's say I have another iPhone, another device, even if you have a maybe even iPad as well, this will work as well. So what we do is make sure both of the devices have the same Apple ID. So if you're using maybe a friend or someone's phone, you can also do this as well. If you're using your Apple ID, you want to sign into their device with your Apple ID. And then from there on, once you're on the device that can download it, go to the App Store and then search and download and install that app. So whatever that app is, you're going to search for it and then install it there. So you're going to install it here. Now, because you install it there with the same Apple ID, you're going to go to the device that can't install it. Make sure it's, again, the same Apple ID. And then you're going to tap on the Apple ID and click on Apps. And then click on Not on this iPhone. You're going to see all the apps that were basically downloaded on this account. However, it's not on this phone. So I can go ahead and click on that cloud icon this time. And it will begin downloading an older version of the app that's compatible for this phone. And after that, you should be able to go ahead and download that app. Keep in mind that is going to be an older version of the app that's still compatible. However, you don't need to update your phone. Again, the key thing here to remember is that it's the same Apple account that you use on this device, on the device that actually can download, so that it has a history that you downloaded, and then you can basically use that to work around to download it on the phone that can't download. So that's how you fix it. I hope this video was helpful, so please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.